Hey everybody, Jeff here from Outseta. Today's video is going to be a quick one. I'm going to show you how you can go about setting up an onboarding sequence of emails for new members or subscribers. To do this, you're going to use both Outseta's segments feature as well as drip campaigns. So within your Outseta account, start by coming over to CRM and segments and click add a segment. A segment, if you're not familiar, is just a group of users in Outseta with some sort of shared characteristic. And there's a couple segment conditions that are commonly used to trigger an onboarding sequence. The first would be if I come down here and I start creating conditions, account subscription plan. So this is going to create a segment of users with a common subscription plan. And then I could say equals, and I could select my pro plan, for example. So if I create this sort of segment, everybody that signs up for the pro plan would get added to this segment, and then being added to that segment would trigger your onboarding emails. This is great if you want to have separate onboarding emails based on the subscription plan or the membership plan that the user signed up for. Another one that's probably even more common is going to be account billing stage. So in this case, I'm going to say account billing stage equals, and if I put it on trialing, it would find all new accounts that signed up for a free account or a free trial. But in this case, I'm going to say subscribing. So the subscribing billing stage is what any user who signs up for a paid subscription will be in. So this segment is going to populate with everybody as they sign up for a paid subscription. So let's call this paid subscribers. I'm going to go ahead and click add. Once you create that segment, Outseta is going to go out and find everybody that fits that criteria. So these are all of our existing paid subscribers. And now I can go ahead and start creating my drip campaign. So I'm going to come over here to email and drip campaign. And as you're creating a drip campaign, you can just click add drip campaign. I'm going to call this onboarding sequence to new subscribers. You click create drip. And the first thing you're going to do is set a start condition. This is what enters somebody into the sequence of emails, resulting in them starting to receive the emails that you set up. So the start condition is going to be person added to a segment, and I'm going to find my paid subscribers segment. That's really all you need to do. So now when a new paid subscriber signs up, they're going to get added to the paid subscriber segment, and that's going to start this email sequence being sent to them. So I can click save. You have to choose who the emails are coming from. So I can just say Jeff Roberts and jeff@outseta.com. And then from there, you actually go ahead and add emails into your sequence. I'm not going to do that now. That's similar to authoring any other email, but you can add as many emails as you want, and each email is time delayed from the preceding email. So as an example, this is Outseta's actual onboarding sequence for people that are on a free trial. People get added to a segment called trialing accounts in our case. And then we've got a first email that goes out immediately and some subsequent emails that go out every few days. If you have any questions on setting up your onboarding sequence, please reach out at support@outseta.com. Thanks so much.